Hi everyone, Miss Emily here from the Fairfield Public Library. Today I will be showing you how to make a 3D paper mushroom. Let's get started. In the kit you picked up from the library, you have one circle template, red construction paper, green construction paper, and two pieces of off-white construction paper, and we have two different sizes here, a smaller one and a larger one. To complete this project, you will also need your own pair of scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. Our first step is to take our circle template and our scissors and cut it out. So we'll cut around our circle here. And this will help us create the top of our mushroom. So once you have the circle template all cut out, you want to take your red construction paper, put that template on top, and grab your pencil and trace it all the way around here. Okay. Now I can cut out the circle that's on my red construction paper. Here is my red circle cut out and ready to go. What you'll do next is take your pencil and just estimate where the center of the circle is and just put a little dot there. Once you've got your dot, take your scissors and we're going to make a cut from the edge of our circle all the way to that center point. So I'm just gonna start here and go straight to that center point. So once you have that cut, you will take your glue stick and put some glue on one side of where you cut, just a little bit of glue on the one side. So I've got my glue right here, and then I'm going to take the other side and overlap it right on top and just kind of hold that down. Make sure that it stays. So we've kind of created a dome shape for the top of our mushroom. All right, and for now we'll just set that aside to let it dry a bit. And you want to take one of your pieces of off-white construction paper. Now this is the larger piece. Remember we had our smaller one and our larger one. We want to take the larger one, and you want to hold it this way with the long edges here and the shorter edges on the sides, okay? And we'll put this flat on the table. We need to do a little bit of folding. So first, I'm going to take this top edge and about half an inch or so, I'm going to bend it down, okay? And then I will turn this, so this is now the top edge, and again, fold about the same amount down, just like that. So you're going to have something that looks like this. So now we need our scissors. We are going to do a little bit of cutting, and we're going to cut to our folded edge. So again, this is what it looks like, and we're going to do a bunch of small cuts to where we folded. And the exact size doesn't matter, how many you do doesn't really matter either. Okay, and then once you've done the one side, flip it, and again, cut to the folded edge. Just a bunch of cuts. So you end up with something that looks like this. We've got all those cut pieces on both sides there. So now we want to roll this piece of paper. We're making the stem of our mushroom, so we want to roll it. And once you've kind of helped to get the paper in the correct shape, you can then take your glue stick and on one of the edges put some glue. Take the other edge, overlap it, and hold it in place to get it to stay. So you have something like this. It might take a little while for the glue to dry and keep the paper in this shape. If you want to put a piece of tape on here, you could. It's up to you. Okay, so once you have this, you want to take your glue stick and put glue all over those pieces that we had cut earlier. So I'm just putting a nice amount of glue on each one. Then I will grab the red top part for our mushroom and stick that right on top. And you might need to flip it around so that you can more easily press down those pieces so everything gets attached. Okay, now I'm going to add some glue on the bottom of the mushroom stem, again on those pieces we cut earlier. And I will grab my green piece of construction paper. This is the base for our project. So I will turn my mushroom around here and press on those pieces so that our mushroom can stand on the paper. Okay. Now, if you'd like to cut your green construction paper into a shape or just make the edges rounded, you can. You could leave it as a rectangle. I am just going to cut mine a little bit to make it look like a little patch of grass that my mushroom is sitting on. So I'm just going to cut a little bit here. That's totally up to you what you want yours to look like. Okay, now so we've got our mushroom standing on our bottom green paper. We need to add some white spots to the top. So go ahead and grab that other smaller piece of off-white construction paper, and I'm going to just cut out some shapes. So I'm going to do mostly circles and ovals, but you can cut whatever shapes you would like, cut different sizes, and you can cut as many as you'd like. So I'm going to prepare mine. Okay, so here are all of the spots that I cut out of my construction paper. I have about 12 or 13 here, but again, it's as many as you would like to do for your design. Next, I'm going to take my glue stick and on the back of one of my spots, just put some glue and then find where I want to put it on my mushroom and press it on top. And I'm just going to repeat that step with all of my spots to get them on here. And as you are gluing on your spots, just be gentle so that you don't crush the top of the mushroom here. And I've got my last one that I want to put right there. All right. And there we have it. So this is our 3D paper mushroom. Thank you so much for completing this project with me. I hope you had fun. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.